Look at this thug harassing and intimidating the passengers in the taxi. Does this criminal behavior seems like a professional clown? This man action and character definitely classified him as a gangster. He even mentioned it from his own mouth. I never in my life forward across a professional clown act like a hooligan. Not even a comedian act this way. This is a clear sign of pure gangster behavior. Before the day finish you get what you deserve. There is a thing called karma. Hello you all. Hope you're doing well. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to never miss an update. Also press the like button, comment and share. I do appreciate. Thug seen on video intimidating and harassing passengers in a taxi has been charged by the police. Police arrested and charged a man which was captured on a video harassing and intimidating passengers in a taxi. The incident occurred in the downtown Kingston area on Monday, November 14th. The man gives his occupation as a professional clown. He has been identified as 32 years old Ramon Silvero of Kelly, Terrace, Kingston 11. He was charged with assault at common law, disorderly conduct and indecent language. Ramon Silvero is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St and Parish Court on January 21st, 2023. Mr. Professional Clown, hope you learned a lesson not to ever disrespect law-abiding citizens of Jamaica. You thought that you were addressing your friends. You should have gotten a flagging for your action towards the passengers from the officers. I commend the police officers on their rapid response to apprehend the thug Ramon Silvero. Hope the judge gives you a 10-year sentence to give you some time to reflect on your mistakes. Remember to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.